Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedopot. You see these planters? All I did was put my seeds or my plants in that planter right there, and it grows all of my food for me. I never have to grow my food again in my life. So I'm coming out right now because I need to pick some string beans. I want to have some for dinner. And I'm going to have some string beans. So Torpedopot, when I come outside, I don't have blemishes on my food like you do. My food is clean and pure. It's healthy. It's beautiful. And it grows in a Torpedopot. It does so well. Let me bring this a little bit closer. Can you see all the string beans, sweet peas that are hanging off that planter? Well, I've got to come and I've got to harvest them. We normally do about a minimum of 65 pods in one planter. That's because this is not hitting full sun. If this hits full sun, it'll do a lot more than that. But for now, it's doing just fine. I love it. I just really want to have something to eat, and I'm going to have some dinner. This is what I'm doing. Just picking my food. Boy, this is delicious, I tell you. I'm happy with what I'm seeing here. I'm going to fry these up. A nice little meal. You know, I won't pick everything. I'll let them continue to grow and get big, and so I have some more over and over again. Right now, whatever I get my hands on, I'm going to take. Because right now they're about ready for picking. Woo-wee! There's a lot more in there, guys, but I got to go in and find it. One vine at a time. You got to break them apart and pull your fresh peas off. Your snap peas off. Well, I hope I don't break any vines. Them out. Alright, so it looks like in this vicinity, I think we've got enough in this vicinity. I want to stir fry a little bit more. Let's see, let me let you see what we've done so far. Oh well, let's get some off of here also. Whew, man, this is good. Guys, I am tired. Alright, so I've got enough here to get me a nice little stir fry. I'm going to mix this up with some celery that we're growing right now, some chives that we're growing right now, maybe some Swiss chard that we're growing right now, and mix this up, and I'm going to have me a ball. It's so delicious. Guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. You never water, you never feed your plants. You only put your seeds in the plants in this planter, and you walk away for the rest of the year. We supplement once a week, that's all. And we get fresh, delicious food all of the time. We never, ever have a problem with food. Our food is always good. It's always perfect. Torpedopot is no joke. Let me show you what we got here. Tell me that's not beautiful. That's not gorgeous. Fresh food. Wholesome, fresh, delicious food. Torpedopot. It grows your food with no human intervention. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in this planter, and it will grow your food for you. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. I'm going to go and stir fry these. I'm going to have me a delicious meal. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.